Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing our monthly hop, so I hope you get lots of inspiration along the way. We're also doing a giveaway, so don't forget to like, subscribe if you love what you see, comment on each video, come back to the link that's in the description box to enter into the giveaway. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. This giveaway will last 1 week, and I'll post the winner on the YouTube message board. It used to be called community board. I'm not sure what it's called now, but I will post it up there. But you can always click back on the link and it'll share who the winner was. I'm going to do one of Kendra's card challenge sketches today for my card. We are a proud sponsor of the Kendra's card challenges. If you would like to download your free printable sketches for this challenge, visit Kendra at kendrascardchallenges.com. Here's all the beautiful cards that I did using products from this month's releases. And today I'm going to use the Paper Pad Club of the Month. We have this beautiful paper here called Awakening. And this one here has images on the inside that I'll be using today. This one's called Beautifully Unique. Love the colors this month. So I am going to pick out some of these images. They're all ready to go. So I'm going to put those to the side. There's an option to add on a 4x6 clear stamp set to your club. This month we have a very nice stamp set called Self-Care, and we have Ephemera Rise and Shine. I love the cute little character in here, and we were having fun on Lynn's live. They were saying these are little Jamie dolls, and that is so cute. So there's a cute little girl in here, and then there's some other items in here that are so cute, all about self-care. Isn't that cute? So this is such a cute ephemera pack. I think I have one stamp set left. So if you wanted to get on the Paper Pad Club of the Month and choose I Want It All, pick the stamp and the ephemera, you'll reserve your spot for next month if you choose monthly for your frequency. It's such a fun club. You could purchase it as a one-time purchase as well. So here are 3 cards that I did using the Awakening paper pad and the ephemera pack. All of these cards were used with the Easy Wonder Die number 1. So our Easy Wonder Dies are now back in stock, and they are better than ever, guys. So this is the Easy Wonder Die number 1. I used this for those cards. There's an add-on set that will give you some mats and layers for your Easy Wonder Die number 1. So our dies are now in this beautiful teal color, and all of the dies are untabbed. Great new feature. There's some information on the back. So there's some sketches. There's some examples here of which of the dies get mats and layers. And then Easy Wonder Die number 2 is this one here. I recently used this to create some really cute treat bags with our Patriotic Pup release. So again, you got some sketches on the back, and then you get mats and layers for all the highlighted die cuts. So those are such fun dies. If you haven't checked those out yet, you'll find those under the Easy Wonder Die section in the shop. These 2 cards here were done with the brand new Vintage Sunflower Junk Journal Treasures and the Vintage Sunflower card fronts. If you want to make some really beautiful cards, these are your go-tos. And then that beautiful word die here is from our retreats products. So you can find this die under the Cottage Rose Retreat section. So we have some beautiful products. Our retreat is coming up on May 17th and May 18th. You're not going to want to miss it. I'll be doing a live party on the 16th. So I hope you can join me. I would love your support. And right now I have a cold or something. My throat is just like really like clogged up. And I hope I'm better by the live so I could talk. So I'm going to keep this video short. I'm going to play some music while I do the card because I can't talk too much longer, guys. But here's the other cards. Aren't they adorable? So I just can't wait to see what the design team comes up with. So hop along and check out their projects. So this is the first one that I did. And today I'm going to be using the same paper pad with the cute little cutouts. And I'm not sure where I'm going yet, but I'll play some music so you can check out my process. You find the spark that feels just right. A paper pad, some colors near. A quiet way to bring joy here. It's in the little moments, the simple things, the peace that mindful crafting brings. With every layer, soft and true, you're showing love right back to you. No need to rush, no need to prove. Just let your heart and hands both move. Stamps and scissors, thread and glue. A handmade way to start anew. It's in the little moments, the simple things, the peace that mindful crafting brings. With every layer, soft and true, you're showing love right back to you. It's more than paper, more than art. It's how you care for your own heart. So take a breath, enjoy the day. Let self-kindness lead the way. It's more than paper, more than art. It's how you care for your own heart. So take a breath, enjoy the day. Let self-kindness lead the way. The way. So I did sketch number 3. I think it turned out pretty close, but not exact. I have my bow down here instead of up here. And then I have my image, my sentiment off the side. I didn't do the flag banners, but It turned out really cute and it helped me create a card super easy and super quick. So I hope you guys try out Kendra's card challenge number 18. And also I hope you have fun on the hop, getting lots of inspiration for our new releases for May. Thank you so much for spending time with me, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!
Enjoy the day. Let's self-care.